One of the things that I wanted to mention as a homeowner is if you look at our doors, so with Elite Doors, we like to stand behind our work. We like to stand behind our quality. Calculated R value on these doors is 2-inch thick, 18.4 in R value, triple layer components. You know, you got your steel, you got your backing plate, your insulation, and your steel. So technically 4, but we call it a 3-layer garage doors. One of the things that we do include with, if you're in a high wind area, if you have winds up to 150 miles an hour or 190 miles an hour, we add struts to the door. So the door doesn't cave in, so it adds strength. It's engineered for against high winds. Now, another thing, when I open the door, you'll see a top seal on there. So let me click that door and I'll show you. So if you look up there, once that door seals, it will seal up the top gap completely.